Good morning, friends. I'm so excited to do this experiment with you. I have all of my stuff a little bit measured out because I had to bring it with me, but that's okay. I'm going to tell you what you need before we start. You're going to need 1 cup of half and half, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of ice, a 1/3 cup of salt, and then toppings of your choice for at the end. You're also going to need a sandwich bag and then a gallon size bag. I already have my ice in the gallon size bag. You can put your 3 cups of ice in your gallon size bag if you would like. In our sandwich bag, we are going to put all of our liquids in there. So I'm going to start by pouring in my 1 cup of half and half. Careful not to spill or drop the bag. Maybe have someone hold the bag while you pour. All right, 1 cup of half and half is in my sandwich bag. I want to look like I had a hole in it. You want to make sure that you do not have a hole in it. And then 1/3, what did it say? Half a teaspoon, right? Yeah, half a teaspoon of vanilla. I didn't measure out my vanilla because nothing can ever be too much vanilla, right? I'm just eyeballing that. All right, and then you want to put in, how much sugar did I say? 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm not going to be able to open this container without assistance. Love these containers. They seal very well. However, I can never get them open. I should have had this done already. Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Now that I have my container open, we are going to pour our sugar in here. Making sure it's sugar and not salt. That would be bad. All right, we're going to seal our bag. And careful not to push out the liquid, but we want to try to get as much air out of the bag as possible. So it's going to look like this. It's tight up here, and then the liquid is in the bottom. And then we're going to need our gallon size bag. Another tip for this bag, if you want to put a piece of tape over it or maybe double bag it to make sure that your seal is super sealed and that it won't leak out, you could go ahead and do that. It's going to go into the gallon size bag, but what I want to do real quick first is my ice is in here, and we're going to pour our salt in on top of the ice. And I'm just going to give that a little swoosh around first to make sure that that is on the ice. Okay? And then I'm going to put my bag in here so it looks like this. And then we're going to seal this bigger bag. What do you think we're making? Do you know? And then we're going to shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. You're going to shake for like 7 or 10 minutes. It's going to be a long time and your arms are going to get real tired. I'm going to pause the video so I can shake, shake, shake. And then I'll come back and show you what mine looks like after 7 minutes. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do after 7 minutes, okay? Hi, friends. Did your hands get super cold? I know that mine did. And my bag started throwing liquid everywhere. I wanted to kind of show you. So my bag is squishy. It's a little like Play-Doh and it's a little melty. And it will melt quickly. So you could maybe put it in your freezer for later. But it's not super hard like it is if we buy ice cream. But it should get thicker. And then you can put your favorite ice cream toppings on it. And you just made ice cream in a bag. I hope that it tastes good and that you had fun and that you have a great Friday.